Ready? My name's Kai, and this is how to tie rebar. So we're going to start off with a figure 8 tie. So what you do here is you take your wire, you loop it around the bottom.
Oh, I got to get in close.
Yeah. Loop it around the bottom, go around and back, and then you come over here and twist it. Pull her tight.
There you go.
Flip it. And that thing is sturdy. It ain't going nowhere. Yeah, so we got 3 ties. We got the saddle, or the figure 8 tie, which I just showed you. And the reason why it's called a figure 8 is because the bottom comes out, and on the back side it twists. So it looks like an 8. Because the saddle tie and figure 8 are pretty much the same thing except for the back. And now I'll show you what a saddle tie is. Saddle tie is, you come around the bottom, same as the figure 8. You come around right here, so you go the bottom, go straight, out like that, and tie it. You know, don't overthink it when you're tying rebar. It's just something that you just do, you know, naturally. You'll get good at it and you'll get fast. So that's a saddle tie, and now I'll just show you what a simple tie is. So the only time you use these ties, the figure 8 and the saddle ties, is when you're doing stuff like this. And then this is just, you know, a basic simple tie when you're tying mats, going every other. You just take your wire, go right there, twist, done.
There you go.
And that's how to tie rebar.